Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ebron. It's 2026 and people don't know how to use Visa card or credit card to buy anything from any website. Just so you know, this video is for education purpose, not to teach you any fraudulent activity. So if you are thinking of any fraudulent activity, please, you can scroll. So I'm going to teach you how to use your own Visa card to purchase anything online. You know, people go to their bank and acquire this card to make purchase, or I don't know, to withdraw money, and most of you guys, only thing you know how to use this card for is to go to your ATM and slot it and take money out. And just so you know, this card can do a whole lot of things for you and make your life easier. So should, in case you are somebody who see things online and you are enticed to buy it, but you have no idea how to get them because the only payment method you know is maybe your mobile money or maybe in your country OPay or whatever, this video is going to teach you how you can make useful of your card that you acquire from your bank to purchase anything online. So guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step and teach you the numbers on the card and also how you can use them, right? So if today is your first time watching my videos, kindly give me a follow. Also subscribe, press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Without further ado, let's dive into how we use the card. Let's go. Okay guys, so if you look at the front of the card, you will see 16 digits of the card number, and you can also see date, and you can also see your name if the card is in your name. If it is in the company name, you will also see the company name on the card. If you flip the back of the card, you will see a 3-digit number at the last where the card has been covered. After the black stripe, you will see a 3-digit numbers. So the top 16 digits is the card number, and the expiring date of the card is also very important. And if you flip the card and you see the 3-digit, it is called CVV numbers. So let me show you how you can use your card if you acquire it from a bank. So if you let's go to the computer, right? So if you see this arrangement I've done here, on top is just a dummy card. I'm using it to educate you. So if you see this card, you see the 16-digit numbers here and card holder name. So if the card is in your name, this is where your name will come, and here is going to be expiring date of the card. And if you flip the card, the back of the card, you will see these 3-digit numbers here. It is called CVV number. So these are the important things you need to shop online. So let's say you go to any website, which maybe this bag is what you want to buy and this is the total amount. It's just dummy amount, right? And so you want to purchase using this your card. All you have, forget about the paper here and focus on the card part. So normally if you get to the checkout page, which you have to pay, this is the information you see. Full name, sometimes they will ask you for billing information, which is going to be your address, or your personal information, obviously, or the billing information of the card, which, let's say you went to a bank to acquire this card and you provide them with your address, your house number, all these, information. That is going to be your billing information. In this case, the billing information is not showing here, but I'm just giving you an information should, in case you get to a point where it's asking for your address or your billing information. This your house number or like your address is called your billing information. That's what you have to put it there. So the card, the name on the card, which is going to be your full name, you write it first, and the card number, which is going to be the 16 digit of the card, you write it here, and the expiring date of the card, that is what you have to write it here. And here is the CVV number. So it's going to be the 3-digit at the back of your card. That is what you have to write it here. And as you can see the pattern, you see the 16-digit, the cardholder name, expiring date. This logo here is quite different than the one I showed you. This is a MasterCard and this is Visa card. It's basically just two companies, MasterCard, Visa card, but they all process card, so it doesn't make any difference if your card is showing this logo or if your card is showing the Visa card logo. Most of the checkout page accepts both of them, so you don't need to worry about it. Just put it in and then click on pay, and then they will verify your card. Most of the card coming from African country, especially Ghana. I don't know about your country, but I'm based in Ghana, so I can talk about Ghana. So most of the card we have here, we have something called 3D scan, which if you click pay and the website is not trustworthy, or it is your first time purchasing from that particular website, they will pop up a page from your bank, such as maybe Fidelity, GCB, and then they will send you a digit, maybe 4-digit PIN code to put it in, so it will verify your card for them to know that indeed you are the person using the card. Because just so you know, your card can be maybe photographed by a wrong person front and back, and they can use your information to purchase something online. However, if the 3D scan is on your card and somebody tries to use it, you get an SMS code on your phone, and if they will not be able to verify the card, and the transaction will be declined, which is a very good security for these kind of cards. So I think in Africa, because of that security, most of us are more secure. Other than that, if you go to any other country which they don't use the 3D verification system, anytime they put their information, just part, the money is gone. So just so you know, if you acquire one from your bank or any institution, you can ask them, is my card on 3D scan? If it is not, they can register you on 3D scan, and then your card will be much more safer using it. So if you have one of these, and then the information I've shown you here, this will going to be your simple checkout page you normally going to face. It is similar to most of the shopping websites. I'm not going to mention any website name for like advertising purpose, but any website that you want to purchase from, if you get to the checkout page, normally what they ask for is your full name, or maybe your first name or your last name. And then they will ask for your billing address, which is going to be the address you used to register this card at your bank, maybe so and so area, blah blah blah. You put it there, and then you enter your card number, which is the 16-digit, and then you enter the expiring date of the card. So normally you are not going to enter the day of the expiring, but you see the month and the year. That is what matters. So you put it there, and then you flip the back of the card, and then you enter the 3-digit CVV numbers at this page, and then click pay. So if your card is on 3D scan, as I said earlier, they will verify your card, and then your payment will go through. So that is basically how you use this particular card or any Visa card to make purchase online when it comes to online shopping with a Visa card. Thank you for watching. My name is Zebron. If you're first time watching my videos, don't forget to like and follow. Also subscribe, press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. My name is Zebron.